While it has created so many unbelievable wealth legend stories, never have radical controversials left Bitcoin alone. Its supporters, such as Elon Musk and other tech enthusiasts, have brought forth a real entrepreneurial deal. Its opponents, such as Warren Buffett and other traditional investors, blasted Bitcoin as a worthless delusion and a rat poison squared. In 2021, during the pandemic, more and more people just believe Bitcoin will shake, even replace the unique status of the god, and can't wait to exchange their current currencies into investing it. On the other hand, its zeal has led many governments worldwide to feel ever virtual threats from it and timely kick it out of legal investing currency status. Anyway, no matter you like it or not, the fact is it has gone viral. But why? Why could such entire virtual currency, more essentially, such cold computer codes, have such great influence worldwide? Let's discover it through the famous economist Robert Shiller. In Robert Shiller's eyes, the Bitcoin story is an example of a successful economic narrative because it has been highly contagious and has resulted in substantial economic changes over much of the world. Not only has it brought forth real entrepreneurial zeal, it also stimulated business confidence, at least for a time. From his book, Economics Narrative, here are 3 reasons I thought through.